chicken korma, a rich, creamy, mildly spiced curry that's full of flavour and comes together in just 30 minutes, all in one pan. No marinating, no fuss, just pure comfort. Welcome back to Burmawala kitchen. We're starting with 1 kilogram of boneless chicken breast, cut into small, even pieces so they cook quickly and stay juicy. 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder for that golden colour, 2 tablespoons each of garlic paste and ginger paste, the heart and soul of South Asian cooking, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder for a touch of warmth, 1 tablespoon of dhania jeera, ground coriander and cumin, and 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder. It's mild but brings an incredible depth and beautiful red hue. Give everything a thorough mix. No need to marinate it for hours. We're keeping it quick, but trust me, the flavour will still be amazing. Now on to the cooking. In a medium heated pan, we pour in a 1/4 cup of cooking oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. The ghee adds a lovely richness. Then in go our dry aromatics. 6 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, 1/2 teaspoon each of whole black peppercorns and cloves. Fry them for just 30 seconds until they start sizzling and popping. Your kitchen will fill with the most beautiful aroma. Next up, we add in our spice-coated chicken, every last bit of it. I like to mix the chicken with all the spices before cooking, so that every single piece is fully coated. Now we braise it for around 5 minutes, stirring often. The chicken sears quickly and starts developing that deep, gorgeous colour, and the smell, oh, it's divine. Now we build the masala. In goes 1 cup of fried onions, which I've blitzed quickly in the food processor. You could chop them, but this is faster and gives us that beautiful thick texture. Stir it all in and you'll see the curry base coming together, thick and full of promise. Next, 1 cup of full-fat yoghurt. Before adding it, turn the heat down. Yoghurt can split if it's too hot. Gently fold it in, making sure everything's beautifully combined. Once it's well mixed, we bring the heat back to medium. Be sure to keep stirring. Yoghurt-based curries can catch easily at the bottom if left alone. Bring it to a gentle boil, then cover with a lid and let it cook for 15 minutes, or until the chicken is fully cooked through. Chicken breast cooks fast, so no long stews needed here. And there we are, 15 minutes later, our chicken korma is ready, and it's an absolute beauty. The oil has risen to the top, always a great sign that your curry is perfectly cooked. The colour is stunning, the gravy is luscious, and the smell is irresistible. Tender, succulent chicken pieces in a creamy, spiced sauce, and all made from scratch in under half an hour. To finish, a generous sprinkle of fresh coriander. It brightens the whole dish and makes it look even more appetizing. There you have it, a delicious, crowd-pleasing chicken korma made with love, flavor, and zero stress. The best part, you know exactly what's gone into it, and it didn't break the bank. It meal preps brilliantly too. Just portion it up and freeze for a ready-made dinner anytime. Oh, and before we go, a quick heads up for those who've ever wanted to taste the food we make on this channel. We've just launched our very first product. It's called Thami Letto, a spicy Burmese rice and noodle topper packed with fried onions, roasted peanuts, sesame seeds, lime juice, and loads of flavour. The original has real sardines and fish sauce for a deep umami punch, and we've got a 100% vegan version too. No one misses out. You can support us on Kickstarter or buy directly from our website. All the links are in the description below. Thank you so much for your support. It truly means the world to me and Mum. From our Burmawala kitchen to yours, happy cooking.